Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'm sharing with you on how to play Netflix FIFA games in the app. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Netflix app, log in or sign into the app using your account. The next thing you have to do is to go to the game section. So on the game section, you just have to search for the Netflix game that you want to play in the section. When you see it, you just start playing, but if you do not see it, you know that in your region you cannot find a particular game at that point in time. The next step you can take to fix that is to go to your Play Store. So right here on my Play Store, I just have to type in Netflix game. So when you type in Netflix game, it's going to bring out the different varieties of games that Netflix have in your region at that particular point in time. So all you have to do is to select the particular game that you want to download or and play for this section, and select it. Then you just install it in your device. So guys, that is it on how to play Netflix FIFA games. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.